Yo, okay, you like jacket. Okay, you like jacket. Don't tell like something and don't tell like okay, yo, what are you up to and your dreams, what are your goals?
Yeah.
Like straight day, most of the time, you're like Japan. Okay, Kisa, I'm not telling, I'm not stop. I don't want you to put in Japan, you know.
Yeah.
So I mean, one advice over there, like you gotta believe in yourself.
Sure.
You have to push yourself. If nobody pushes you, still you keep going. Because this is the process now. Over time, like, you know, it takes time.
Sure.
So if I'm a grind, someone, so I'm more experience, you know. Yeah, well, that is what I'm. Yeah, so now right now, okay, I'm going to a cappella freestyle me play music, I'm going to break to it and tell them some energy. At the moment, I'm going to busy, I'm going to freestyle shop. So when I'm going to a cappella, you know, I'm going to run. Alright.
Yo wanditi ngodoku katinya ijutu talele brother munatina ayamin sodofana walatina kana kelen kona la watu sita. Some people criticize me but I still live. I say falling many times but I still breathe. As I'm living now I'm living low-key zuma. I do not be meeting a bro, let me tell you two things say. Isovi buye dara fonga sona hamulo me di papa benko dona. As a family nye bila toba, I do not be meeting a waya la mwenyu sama. Kawuli samanda, lo fula sali brother janita bita. Dini meranga lu daram fanale kafa, you know. Hey, zuma da hamu minti. Kabunya balulo, kajame balulo, hamu minti. Walang kabunya balulo, kajame balulo, hamu minti. Walang kabunya balulo, kajame balulo, hamu minti.
Yes, sir. Why this people go around, boy? You know, Kabunjam Balulo, Kajame Olulo, boy. Those are big dream. That's a big inspiration, you know. Yeah, make all the dreams come true, you know. So, this is one advice, the music, you know. You must judge, you must judge obstacles because there was a time, you know, I was there, and the mother talks about give up, but slow motion you have to believe in yourself. Not come, okay, believe everybody that you love and the work you are doing. Not push hard. But I know you need a time, I look at the day, your mom.
Sure.
Yeah, so from there I'm gonna play this music. We just take a music break, and from there we continue, you know. So in case you don't know, 104.7, you are listening to Hilltop Radio. Let's go with this music break for now.